How to create Ourtime dating account. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to guide you through creating an account on Ourtime. So watch this video until the end to ensure that you don't miss any crucial steps. So first, you need to go ahead and open your web browser. From there, simply go ahead and search for Ourtime or simply go to ourtime.com. Once you're in the official website of Ourtime, simply go ahead and select who are you interested in first. If you're a man and you're seeking for a woman, simply go ahead and select I am a man and seeking a woman. And if you're a woman and you're seeking for a man, select the second option or go according to these options available over here. Now you need to select the specific age that you'd like to see someone. Let's set for from 50 and 51, between the ages of 50 and 51. Now enter your zip code of the place that you are in. I'm selecting New Jersey. Now select view singles. Go ahead and enter your date of birth. Now enter your birth name. Enter your correct form of your email address. Then enter your password. Now go ahead and select how did you hear about Ourtime. Click on this arrow button. Select your height. Now simply describe your body type. Select your relationship status. Go through other on-screen instructions. You also have to mention your education and either you smoke or not, or you drink or not. Select your religion. Select what type of relationship are you looking for and click on that's me. Now you need to describe how do you want your partner in crime to be. Select their age and the height that you want them to be. Select the marital status and their education as well. Once you've gone through all these options, tap on continue. Now add topics to your profile that you want. For example, you can see an example right here in a nutshell. You can add 2 more topics as well. Then tap on continue. Now you need to add or upload a photo. And once you're done adding photos, you need to select either the premium version or the free version. Now you need to go ahead and verify your account. Tap on continue and enter your phone number that you'd like to associate with the account. Tap on continue again and you will get an SMS confirmation number. Simply go ahead and paste it over here and then your account will be verified. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.